Nina or George here?
जी ये दो स्टूडेंट्स आपस में बातें कर रहे हैं, आप एक ही करते जाएं, ठीक है? सेक्शन वन, ओके after
Hi George, glad you're back. Lots of people have phoned you. मैं सारा पढ़ूं?
हाँ पढ़ो।
Really? I felt just like your secretary. Sorry, I went into the library this afternoon to have a look at newspaper and I came across something really interesting. What? A book? No, a brochure from a summer festival. Mainly Spanish music. Look, I have example got it here. Spanish music? I really love the guitar. Let's have a look. So what's the group Guitarian? They are really good. They had a video with all the highlights of the festival at the stand in the lobby to the library. So I heard them. And they play fantastic instrument, drums, flutes, and all kinds of guitars. I have never heard anything like it before. Sounds great. Okay, shall we go then? Spoils ourselves. Yes, let's. The only problem there are not any cheap seats. It's all one price. Well, in that case, we could sit right at the front. We would have a really good view. Yeah. Though I think that if you sit at the back, you can actually hear the whole thing better. Yes, anyway, we can decide when we get there.
Okay, thank you.
So will you fill in the form or shall I? I will do it. Name George O'Neill, address 48 North Avenue, West Street. Do you remember our new postcode? Still can't remember it. Just a minute. I have got it written down here. WS62IH. Do you need the phone too? Please, I am really bad at numbers. 01674553242. Let's book two tickets for your journey. Okay. If you are sure Euro 750 each is all right.
सेवन, ये तो पड़ेगी £7.50।
7 pound
50,
7 pound to
£7.50 होता है, ठीक है? £7.50
7 pound 50 cents each is all right.
सेंट्स कहने की जरूरत नहीं होती है, £7.50।
7 pound 50 each is all right. How do you feel about the singer? I have not quite decided, but I have noticed something on the booking form that might just persuade. Sir, persuade का मतलब होता है?
उकसाना, किसी काम करने के लिए तरगीब दिलाना।
What's that then? Free refreshments. Really?
Yes.
Yes, look here. Sunday, 17th of June, single ticket, 6 pound include drinks in the garden. Sound like a bargain to me. Yes, let's book two tickets for that. So what else I am finding? I am feeling quite keen now. How about the pianist on the 2nd of June? Anna Ventura. I have just remembered that's my evening class night. That's okay. I have just have to go on my own. But we can go to the Spanish dance and guitar concert together, can't we? Yes, I am sure Tom and Karen would enjoy that too. Good heavens, 10 pound 50 a ticket. I can see we are going to have to go without food for the rest of the week. We will need to book for. Wish fewer students, look, children, students, and senior citizens get a 50% discount on everything. If only.
Okay, so in him, they were thinking that the luck for them, young people,
Yes.
they that she should be a student. So the, okay, good morning. Right?
Good morning.
मुझे वरना मुझे ये यहाँ तक आवाज पहुँच रही है, ये रिकॉर्ड नहीं होनी।
Good morning. Total insurance. Jyoti speaking.
पीछे की तरफ बोलो, पीछे की तरफ। Good morning.
Total insurance. Jyoti speaking. How may I help you? I recently shifted my belongings from overseas back here to Australia, and I took out insurance with your company. Some items were damaged during the move, so I need to make a claim. What do I have to do? Okay, Well, first I need to get a few details about this. Can you give me your name, please? Yes, it's Mitchell Alexander.
Michael.
Michael Alexander. Alexander. Okay, and your address, please. My old address or my new current one? Your current one. It's 24 Manley Street, Milpira near Sydney. What was this
Suburb.
suburb? Sorry. Milpira?
Milpara.
Milpera. Milperra. Right now, who was the shipping
Agent.
agent, Mr. Alexander? You mean the company we used? Yes, the company who backed everything up at the point of origin. Oh, it was, yeah.
Uh,
Uh, okay, where were the goods shipped from? China, but the ship came via Singapore and was there for about a week. Don't worry, all of that information will be in the documentation. No, the dates. Do you know when the ship arrived? It left on the 11th of October and got to Sydney on the 20th of November. Okay, I need one more thing. There's a reference number. I should be in the top right hand corner of the pink form they gave you.
okay. Let me know.
Let me have a look. I have so many papers. Yes, here it is. It's 610 ACK. Thanks. I need to take down a few details of the actual damage over the phone before you put in a full report. You can tell me how many items were damaged and what the damage was. Yes, well, four things actually. I will start with the big thing. My TV, first of all, it's a large one, very expensive. Our insurance does not cover electric problems. It it is not
And
an electrical problem. The screen has a huge crack it, in it, so it's unusable. I see any idea of the price of repair it? No. Well, I don't think it can be repaired. It will need a new one. Okay, I will make a note for that and we will see what
we can.
we can do now. What was the second item? The cabinet from the
तो चार्जर फ्री है
was damaged as well. Lovely,
मेरा फोन बंद
it's
हो
a
गया
lovely cabinet. We use it to keep our towers in.
Uh, Wait for a
फोन बंद हो गया
Okay, carry on.
And what is the next? And,
Now we will.
and what is the extent of the damage? Well, the back and the side seems okay, but the door has a huge hole in it. It can't be repaired. I am really not very happy about it. And how much do you think it will
Cost.
It will cost to replace it. Well, when I bought last year, I paid $1 to $5 dollars for it, but the one I have seen in Sydney it is a bit more expensive. It one
$140.
right, and what was the third item? My dining my dining room table is a lovely table from Indonesia. It must have been very hot inside the container because one leg has completely spilled down the middle. The top and the other three look okay, then thank goodness. any idea of the price to repair it? Well, I had an estimate done on this actually because it is a very special table to us. They quoted us $200, which is really pricey. So I hope the insurance will cover the total cost. I am sure that will be fine. What was the last item, Mr. Alexander? Well, we have a lovely set of china plates and dishes, with matching cups, sauce, the saucers, the lot. They, they were all in the one box. We must have got wrong because some plates were broken. Six actually, and six actually. And And can you tell me the replacement value of these? Well, it's hard to say because they were part of a set, but they can be up to $10 each, as it's much such a good set. Okay, so that would would be around $60 altogether. Yes, that's right, and it's that all of the items. All of the items. Yes. So what do I have to do?
Okay. So let's pause, another pause.